Is Levrano shop a total scam or just another online shop with a bad rap? Let's get straight to the truth, because your wallet and your peace of mind deserve it. First off, Levrano shop has been flagged as high risk by consumer watchdogs and review platforms in 2026. It's not just one or two complaints. Users across the board are sounding the alarm. Here's what people keep running into. Number 1. Poor product quality. Shoppers say what's advertised as leather or suede shows up looking and feeling like cheap plastic. The photos on the website? Slick and professional. The reality? Not so much. Next, misleading materials. If it says genuine, odds are it's synthetic. That's a classic bait and switch move. Returns? Good luck. The return policy is a nightmare. Most customers discover they need to ship products back to far-off countries like China or Australia. With shipping fees so high, it's almost the same as just keeping the unwanted item. Getting a refund? Practically impossible. Shipping delays and even total non-delivery are also common. For some, the only thing that actually arrives is that credit card charge. Ouch. And if you try customer service, reports say it's either automated, non-responsive, or they'll even block you for asking too many questions about your missing order. So, how do you stay safe? Here's my quick online shopping checklist. Always check for a secure padlock next to the URL and double-check the web address. Don't trust site reviews. Look up independent sites like Trustpilot or the BBB Scam Tracker. Real businesses list a physical address and a working phone number, so verify those details. And above all, pay with a credit card or PayPal for solid buyer protection. Long story short, Levrano.shop is one to avoid. Protect your money, trust your gut, and always double-check before you click buy. Stay safe, smart shoppers.